Principles of Financial Mathematics. This is our next module. Module number 4, chapter 20 of the Essential Further Maths textbook. Okay, percentage change. Now, when a shop advertises a sale, they often give a discount on all goods, such as 25% discount off every item in the store. You see that most of the times in the shops, up to 70% off and whatever. Sometimes the goods are advertised as marked down by 25%, which means the same thing. That means that every item will have its purchase price reduced by 25%, or equivalently, the new price of the item will be 75% of the original price. So, what does this mean and how does it work? So let's say, for example, we have a t-shirt. Okay, here's a t-shirt for you. And it had 25% off. We need to reduce the original price by 25%, and that's what the price is going to be. Now let's say that this shirt was $100, expensive shirt. It's $100 and it's marked as 25% off. So the discount for this item is going to be 25% of the original price. Of means times in mathematics, and the original price was $100, so 25% of 100 is 25. So the discount here is going to be $25, but I'm not going to pay $25. That's my discounted price. So in order to get my new price, I subtract, don't I? So new price will equal the original price, which was 100, minus the $25 discount that I get for the 25% off, and that's going to give me a new price of $75. Now I could have got $75 a lot quicker, because if it was 25% off and 100% of the price was $100, and I'm only going to pay 75% of that price, so I can just do this and I will automatically get $75. And that's the quicker way to do this type of question for percentage change. Now, if an R discount is applied, so whatever the interest rate is here, or the interest rate, sorry, our percentage discount, which was the rate, which was 25%, the discount is, so in our case was 25 over 100 times the original price, and in order to get the new price, the original price minus the discount, which is pretty much the same thing here, and that's how you do that type of question. Now, let's have a look at another example. In A, how much is saved? Now read the question. How much is saved if a 25% discount is offered on an item marked $8? So, the solution for this, for A, the price was $8 and it's going to be 25%, isn't it? That's the discount. So how much am I going to save? I've got to work out what 25% of $8 is, don't I? So in order to do that, again, the same sort of thing we were doing before, of means times 25%, 25 divided by 100 is 0.25, and that will give me an answer of $2. Okay, you can work this out on the calculator. However, a quarter of 8 is 2. So that would be our discount. What is the new discounted price of this item? What is the new price of this item, in other words? So that means, well, we paid originally $8 for it. We're going to save $2, so 8 minus 2 gives us $6, and that's going to be our new price. A quick way to do this, if you remember, again, that's the discount. We're going to pay 75% of the price, so you could have just done 0.75, which is 75 divided by 100 of $8, and you don't have to do the subtraction here. Automatically, we will get $6 as our answer. That's the quicker way to do it, guys, so I think you would rather do it the quick way as well. Okay, of course, prices are not always decreased. Sometimes they are increased, and shops have a habit of doing this all the time. They increase the price and then they mark it down to make it as if they did you a favour, and in fact, they're still making a lot of money. However, if a price is increased by 25%, so we've got to increase a price by 25%. So what happens when we increase? So let's stick to our shirt example, and it was $100 if you remember before. This time I want to increase it by 25%. Well, we already know that 25% of 100 is $25, isn't it? We worked it out before. So if I want to increase from the original price to the new price, what's that going to be? It's going to be 100 plus 25, which is $125. Again, increase works the same way as decrease before, but the opposite way. So if I wanted to increase or find exactly this amount increase in the short method, all it was $100 of, remember the other one before, 75 was the discounted price to get it automatically. Well, this time it's going to be full price, which is 100%, plus 25, which is 25%. It's going to be times 125% over 100, and that's going to give me now $125 in one hit. So that's the quicker way to do price increase. So if a percentage increase is applied, same formula, guys. It's exactly the same formula here. However, the increase means we add, and also if you notice the one before we had 100 minus the rate over 100, this time it's plus. So the difference between the increase and the decrease, when decrease we had negatives, and the increase we have plus in the formula. So if you want to use the formula, that's what you can do. Okay, let's have a look at this example here. If petrol prices increase by 10%, what is the amount of the increase when the price is 99 cents a litre? Okay, let's do this question. We need to increase by 10%. 10 divided by 100 is 0.10, and our price is 99 cents. 99 cents. So we've got to increase it by that much. So we're going to increase what? What does that work out to be? 9.9. So we have to increase our prices by 9.9 cents here. Okay? So our new price, because that's the B is asking what's the new price going to be. We're going to increase it from 99 by 9.9. So the new price is going to be 99 cents plus our 9.9, and that's going to give us 108.9 cents per litre, which works out to be $1.09. So it's going to be 0.89, and we round it off to $1.09 per litre. We wish that was the price of petrol, but as you can see, this is wishful thinking at the moment. So this is our price now. Okay, given the original price and the new price of an item, we can work out the percentage change. Now this is where you start to work out percentages here. To do this, the amount of decrease or increase is determined and then converted to a percentage of the original price. So let's have a look at the formulas over here. Okay, percentage discount equals to the discount divided by the original price times 100, and the increase would be the increase amount divided by original price times 100. So remember these formulas, and we will have a go at doing this in an example. A, if the price of a book is reduced from $25 to $20, what percentage discount has been applied? So it was $25. Now it's $20. So the difference between these two is 25 minus 20, which is $5. That's the difference between the two here. So we've reduced it by $5. Now applying the formula that we just showed you before, percentage discount is equal to the discount divided by the original price. Well, the discount is $5. The original price was $25. We multiply that by 100 and we get 20%. And that's how you do this type of question. Now, the next one, if the price of a book is increased from 20 to 25. So this one's different because it was 20 and now it's 25. It's increased again by the difference between these two by $5, isn't it? Now it's 25 and it was 20, so the difference between the two is 25 minus 20, which is $5. Right? And then we divide that by the original price. This time the original price was $20, wasn't it? That's what it was. and you multiply that by 100 and you get 25%. So the price of this book increased by 25%. That's how you do that question. Okay, now the next point. Sometimes we are given the new price and the percentage increase or decrease, which was what we had before, but this time we're asked to determine the original price. So now we can transpose the equation, make the original price the subject of the formula, remember algebra, same sort of thing, or you can just keep using the same formula you've been using before and work it out that way. However, it might be easier if you wanted to use the bits in the blue. So if there's an R% discount that has been applied, you can use this formula. Original price equals new price times 100 over 100 minus R. And if it's an increase, it's going to be plus. So same formula, but a plus. And these two here are exactly the same. If you can have a look, one's a negative, one's a positive. So you can just keep doing those questions using those formulas. So suppose that Steve has a $60 gift voucher from his shop. If the store has a 25% off sale, what is the original value of the goods? The value of the goods that he can now buy. Okay, so it's a $60 gift voucher. That means the purchasing power of when that $60 gift voucher should be more. Should buy more for $60 if there's 25% off sale. So let's see if we can work this one out. So using the formula, the original price, that's what they want us to work out, what it used to be. Right? Original price is going to equal to our new price divided by, our new price times 100 over 100 minus R. So the new price was 60, which was the gift voucher. Multiply that by 100 over 100 minus our rate, and our rate was 25%, so 100 minus 25 is 75, and that's going to give us an original price of $80. Fantastic. Now, B, same scenario, different. It's going to be an increase. If the store raises its prices by 25%, what is the original value of the goods he can now buy? Okay, so we're going to raise prices now, so original price equals, again, $60 is the voucher. We're going to increase it now. So that means I'm expecting the purchasing power of the $60 gift voucher, if they've raised it, is going to be less. So 60 by 100 divided by 100 plus the rate. So that's going to be 100 plus 25, which is 125. And guess what? We get $48. Right. That's the end of percentage change. The work to be completed is exercise 20A of the textbook. Please have a go at doing all of the questions.